There are 3 net worth levels that completely change your life. Most people never reach level 2. Almost nobody reaches level 3. But the path to all 3 is the same. Simple, consistent investing. In this video, I'll show you what each level looks like, what changes at each stage, and exactly how to climb from one to the next. By the end, you'll know where you are and how to move up. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 wealth levels that transform your future, why most people stay stuck at level 1, how long it takes to reach each level, and how simple ETF investing gets you there. If you want investing to feel real, not just theory, this video is for you. Most people measure success by income, but income is temporary. Net worth is permanent. Net worth is what you own minus what you owe. It's what quietly determines your freedom, your options, and your future. And the good news is, net worth isn't built by being lucky. It's built by simple, repeated actions over long periods of time. Let's walk through the 3 levels. Level 1, net worth from $0 to $100,000. This is where almost everyone starts. At this level, you're learning how money works. You're building saving habits. You're making your first investments. Progress feels slow here, very slow. But this stage is critical because it's where investing becomes a habit. Most people never leave level 1 because they never start investing consistently. But those who do move to level 2. Level 2, net worth from $100,000 to $500,000. This is where things get exciting. At this stage, your investments start producing noticeable growth. Market gains become meaningful. Compounding begins to show visible results. Your money starts working harder than your monthly contributions. This is the level where people realize, wow, this is actually working. And once you reach this stage, wealth building becomes much easier. But there's one more level, level 3. Net worth. From $500,000 to $1 million plus, this is the life-changing level. At this point, your investments generate serious yearly growth. Market returns alone can exceed your annual contributions. Financial freedom becomes realistic. Money is no longer something you chase. It's something that grows quietly in the background. This is the level where work becomes optional, stress decreases, choices expand. And this level is reached the same way as level 1, simple, consistent investing. Let's look at real math. Assume $300 invested per month, broad market ETF, 8% long-term average return. Here's the path. After 10 years, approximately $55,000 approaching level 1 completion. After 15 years, approximately $120,000. Solidly in level 2 after 25 years, approximately $350,000. Deep level 2 momentum after 30 years, approximately $680,000 to entering level 3 after 35 years. Approximately $1,200,000 to level 3 achieved no stock picking, no gambling, just time and consistency. Most people never climb levels for one reason. They stop too early. They skip investing for years. Panic when markets drop. Chase. Hype instead of consistency. The math always works. The behavior is what fails. Those who stay consistent climb levels. Those who don't stay stuck. Climbing these levels starts the same way for everyone. Open a brokerage account. Invest in a broad market ETF. Add money every month. Stay invested. That's it. No secret strategy. No special timing. No advanced knowledge required. Just a simple system executed over time. Right now, you're at one of these levels. The question is, will you stay there or move up? The difference between level 1 and level 3 is not intelligence, not income, not luck. It's simply starting and staying consistent. If this video helped you see your financial path more clearly, subscribe to Jarrett Invests. Every video here is designed to make investing simple, realistic, and achievable from any starting point. Your wealth level isn't decided by where you are today. It's decided by what you do next. And now you know exactly how the path works.